Students, now I am going to ask you something. I will say Bangla, you will say English. Then I will say English, you will say Bangla. Okay, ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. First I will say Bangla, you will say English. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Badha kopi,
Carrot.
full kopi, kumra, মরিচ আদা লাউ বরবটি শালগম পটল লাউ সিম হলুদ ঢেঁড়স That's good. Now I will say English, you will say Bangla, okay? Cabbage, cauliflower, pumpkin, chili, ginger, goat, kaufia, turnip, herbal, bottle gourd, bean, turmeric, ladies finger. Thank you, big clap.